Hi, my name is Carmen and I'm excited to show you a 2.5-story link house in Tanamera. Let's go. One of the nicest features of this house is this courtyard. This is a staple feature in most houses in Tanamera. What's interesting about this part that we're standing on right now is that it was originally a car park. But because of this beautiful courtyard that brings in natural sunlight and natural ventilation, the owner decided to extend it out to build a room. So this room can now work as a guest room or even a master bedroom for those who do not want to climb the stairs. This master bedroom is now equipped with built-in wardrobes. You get a nice big window facing outwards. You get brand new air cons. This master bathroom. This area has been renovated only last year. The pipings and wirings are all fully changed. So this bathroom, when I brought in buyers, everyone commented. They were like, oh, it's a very modern concept. We like it. Yeah. Now we head on downstairs. So right now as we are walking downstairs, I would think this is actually the signature portion of this house. And it's very unique and I'll show you why later. This portion was originally a utility room, a powder room for the visitors, as well as a small kitchen area. But for this owner, what she did is she broke down the walls and she created an open kitchen concept. Take a look. As we walk out towards the end of the house, we can see that this house enjoys this beautiful view of the Central Park in Tanamera. So imagine living in a landed property that has this kind of facilities. What's nice about this house, this owner, she thought, why not capitalize this location further? She actually built a gate that leads directly out to the Central Park. Just by opening the gate, you're right now at the Central Park. Yeah, the basketball court. So the entire Central Park is it's like a long oval shape where you have pathways surrounding it. In the evenings, if you come, you will see pet owners with their dogs, with their cats walking around, as well, of course, with their human kids. Barbecue area, a bit of a rest and relax area, children's playground. So you have a pretty decent sized swimming pool over here for adults, and you also have a kids or toddlers pool by the side. As we head on to the second floor of the house, we can see that it's a huge space. It's currently used as a second kitchen along with a living space. What I would suggest is if you do not see the need for a second kitchen, you can actually transform this whole space into anything that you like. I've seen multiple houses in this area. Some of them use this as an entertainment area where they would have a snooker table, they could have a yoga room, some of it uses it as a home office. So it's really up to the next owner to decide what they want to do with this portion of the house. There's also a really great view of the Central Park for this portion of the house. Upstairs, this is where the other two rooms, the smaller rooms, are located. So in total, there are 4 rooms and 3 bathrooms in this house. We can take a look at the shared bathroom first. This is one of the rooms as well. As you can see, this room is already fully equipped with new air cons, and this room also faces the courtyard, so you get natural ventilation and natural sunlight. Let us head on up to where the second master bedroom is. So this master bedroom has also been extended outwards, and if you can see, it's actually very cleverly separated. So on your left side, you have your built-in wardrobe, your brand new air cons, as well as a bed, and they all overlook the beautiful Central Park. Okay? So if let's say you're a person who likes natural light, this could be the right house for you. If you're in a market looking for a freehold, gated and guarded landed development with facilities, and you want a house that is already in move-in condition, schedule a viewing with me today.